In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable API access in Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, enabling API access is a crucial step if you want to integrate Salesforce with other systems or utilize third-party applications. Let's jump in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you need to navigate to the setup area within your Salesforce environment. This is your go-to place for all things configuration related in Salesforce. Once you're logged in, look for the gear icon in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open the Setup menu, where you'll want to select the option labeled Setup. This will take you to a new page where you can manage and configure your Salesforce settings. Once you're in the Setup section, you'll see a quick find box on the left-hand side. Type in Profiles and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of all available profiles within your Salesforce instance. Profiles in Salesforce are a way to control what users can see and do in Salesforce, so selecting the correct profile is essential for enabling API access for the right group of users. Now, scroll through the list of profiles and find the one you want to modify. Click on the Edit link next to that specific profile. This will open up a detailed view of the profile settings, allowing you to make the necessary changes to enable API access. Next, scroll down until you see the section titled Administrative Permissions. This section contains various checkboxes that allow you to grant or restrict access to different administrative features in Salesforce. Carefully look through the options until you find the one labeled API Enabled. Checking the box next to API Enabled is the key step in this whole process. By doing this, you're granting the profile permission to use the Salesforce API, which is essential for integration with other applications and services. Once you've checked the API Enabled box, make sure to click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. Saving your changes is crucial because it ensures that the new settings are applied to the profile. Without saving, none of the changes you made will take effect, and the API access won't be enabled. And that's it. You've successfully enabled API access for your chosen profile in Salesforce. This simple yet vital configuration will allow users under this profile to interact with Salesforce through APIs, opening up an array of possibilities for integrations and automation. If you ever need to modify API access for other profiles, you can simply repeat these steps. Enabling API access is a straightforward process, but it's a powerful tool in your Salesforce toolkit. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, so ensure API access is granted only to those who truly need it to maintain the security and integrity of your Salesforce data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce tips and tutorials.